Hi, in this guide, I will show you how you can create multiple combo pricing for your store products. On your store front end, it will display the pricing like this: 1 piece price, 2 pieces price, and 3 pieces price. Okay, let's head over to the store admin panel and start creating a similar setup. First, you'll have to log into your store admin panel or dashboard. The combo pricing feature is accomplished using the bundler settings. Okay, now click on the bundler menu on the left. You will see the offers setting page. Here, you will see all the products that have combo pricing set up. Let's start by clicking the Add New Offer button. On the offer creation page, go to the offer header section and fill in your offer title. To make it easier to identify each offer, use the product name as the offer title. Then select discount type as bundle discount. Then set this offer as active. After that, proceed to the product selection section. Here, you have to select which product you want to apply the combo pricing. You can simply select the product by searching its name or title. Type in some words that belong to the product and you will see a list of related products. Next, head over to the discount section. This is the most important part that need to be set up to make the combo's pricing work. Here, we will create all the pricing rules for the 1 piece combo, 2 pieces combo, and the 3 pieces combo. Let's create the first combo rule. In the offer title box, fill in the combo name. In the product quantity box, insert the quantity affected for this combo. This will be the number of items that represent the combo bundle. Then, on the regular price box, insert the total price for this particular combo. The rest of the boxes can be left empty as they're not compulsory. Although, you can add some extra promotional wordings to make it look interesting. Then you can add the other combo rules. Now we add the 2 pieces combo, its quantity, and also its price. Same goes for the 3 pieces combo. Okay, once all the required combos pricing has been added, head over to the top and click the Save Offers button. Back to the Offers settings page, here you will see the newly added combo pricing rule. On this page, you can easily enable and disable the price or combo offering by toggling the status button to active or disabled. Also, you can delete the offer rules by clicking the Delete button. To ensure that you have created the correct pricing combo for the product, you can also go to the store webpage to check if the right combo pricing is shown on the product page. Okay, that's it for now. I hope that you will find this guide helpful. If you need help, simply get in touch with our support team. We're happy to help.